Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to a new episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that is all about making you a better home baker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon pound cake. Let's just call it a lemon cake. For the ingredients we need margarine, and then with the margarine I also have cream cheese, baking powder, lemon zest, baking soda, vanilla, eggs, flour, all-purpose flour, and sugar. So we'll start with the dry ingredients. I'll put everything in the dry ingredients together. So the baking soda, and then half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'll also add my lemon zest here. For the margarine, I'll need 170 grams. So it's always good to measure ingredients. So a lot of you ask me about cup measurements, but I usually find it hard to measure the cup measurement when you're using margarine or butter. So for the cream cheese, we need it at room temperature because at that point it's actually nice and soft, and it will mix easily with the margarine. Now to this I'll add now the sugar. This process should take about 2 to 3 minutes, especially when you're doing it with the electric mixer. And then I'll add my eggs. I'll add them in 2 parts. So let's say 2 at first. Then the final egg. I'll also add my vanilla essence at this point. Then mix completely. So at this stage now I'll add the dry ingredients. That's the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and the lemon zest. And mix. Now the idea when you're mixing in the flour is to make sure all the flour is fully mixed and you don't see any white parts like this one. So I'm using a spatula because it's easier to do it with this. But you can also use a hand mixer, but don't over mix it. We'll now place it into a baking tin. Now there's, I'm using this loaf tin, but you can also use a round one if you don't have one of these. But try and make sure that like this is slightly bigger than this. So when you're making it, try and get one that will fit the mixture until it's halfway filled into your baking tin. You have to preheat your oven whenever you're baking so the cake gets into a hot oven. It will be at 180 degrees, so into the oven it goes. Our cake is done. What you need to do is remove it from the baking tin, put it aside on a wire rack like this so that it cools down evenly. You can actually have it as it is, but now to finish it, I will add a glaze. This is 230 grams icing sugar, and I'll add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And ideally what you want is to have a glaze. And how you get a glaze is just mixing this until it's a consistency that is pourable. It's better to add a little at a time because once it's too much, now you'll have to add more icing sugar. So you want it to a consistency that can pour like that. And if you have too much, if it's too light, you can add more icing sugar. If it's too light, if you're out of lemon juice, you can also add a little bit of water. So what now we will do to this, to the cake, is pour at the glaze. So try and just make it even. Let it go to the sides. What you need to do when you've set the glaze, you let it set. It takes about, you can put it in the fridge, it will be faster, but it can take about half an hour to an hour to set until it's firm. And then that's when you will slice it to the slices that you want to have. And it will be a very delicious moist cake. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's episode of Baking with Chef Raphael. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for other recipes, and subscribe to my channel so that you know whenever I have a new recipe. Until next time, goodbye.